Hey everyone, welcome to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get electronic parts in one's human. So you basically have to load them, and to load them, the best location I found is basically the Iron River region, which is this area right here. So you can explore this area, kill soldiers, you can get the resources, open crates, and you will collect plenty of electronic parts. Now you can get electronic parts all around the map by looting different locations, exploring different locations. But Iron River is specifically important. It got a lot of electronic part load. Once you have gathered enough materials, you can head back home to disassembly bench. So to create disassembly bench, you can press B to open build menu, right click, and then go to facilities, production processing, and then here you will find disassembly bench. It only costs some gravel and copper ingots, so you can easily build it. And once you have built it and gathered enough material, go to disassembly bench, and here's scrap. You can basically select all, but here I will show you like headphones. Headphones gives me some electronic parts, and there is fan. No, okay, monitor. Monitor gives me some electronic parts, and we will have more like smartphone. Basically, any electronic device you find will give you electronic parts. So keep an eye out for them. So that's it for today's guide on how to get electronic parts. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.